Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for always stopping by to watch my channel. I really appreciate that from you guys. So today we are making 360-degree sketch. I'm teaching you guys how to cut it in a simple way that you will never forget. So just sit back and watch this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe, and you can give my video a thumbs up. You can share my video with your friends. Tell them to subscribe also. Please watch this video to the end.
So this is our fabric that we are using to cut our triangle flare that will give us 360 degree. So this is the unfold side that I'm showing you. So I want to fold it now. So that is the first folding. So you now fold it again. So that's the first side of the folding. So that's what I'm pointing out for you to see. So you now refold it again before you start the measurement. So now we have folded it. So we want to do the measurement now. It's a flare skirt. So 360 degree skirt flare that we are making. So that is the side we want to get the waist. So I'm marking it to get it round. So that's what I'm doing there, marking it to get that round flare at the waist side. So you now use your tape rule to check what you have there. So what I'm doing again is the length now, the actual length of the skirt. So you start measuring it from that waist side. You start to measuring it. So that is the measurement. So I'm trying to use chalk to mark it very well for you to see, because you can see that the chalk is not showing very well, but that is it. That's why I'm pointing it. So that is the waist side of it. So we've gotten the waist side. That is the length side again. I'm just trying to show you the length that we just used there is 17. That is the length. So that is the waist of the skirt now that we are doing. So I'm just trying to show you that place that I'm pointing out. That is the place that's open. So the other side is unfold. So that is how I folded it, and that is why you can see I folded it double. After the first layer of folding, I fold it again. So I'm just trying to open it for you once more for you to see what I'm explaining. So that is the first side. Can you see that is the place that is open? So this one is unfold. That place now that I pointed out is unfold before you now refold it again. So I'm just trying to emphasize it for you to know what I'm pointing out. So please don't forget to subscribe, watch my other videos, and learn from those ones that we have done, and make a comment. So that is the length. I'm just trying to repeat myself for you to see what I've done. So that is the line side of the chalk, the length. So that is it. We've gotten everything of the skirt, that is the flare skirt that we are making. So it's a 360 skirt that we are making with flare. So I'm cutting it now, starting from the waist side. So I'm opening the other side of it. So I've cut it. So it's the downside of it that I'm trying to cut out again, to cut it that round cutting. So please watch it, watch other videos, because there is a lot for you to watch, and make a comment. And can you see how beautiful it is now? So I've opened it for you to see. So that is the skirt now. It's a skirt, don't forget that. It's just a skirt that we are making. So I've cut it out. Can you see how the camera is showing you, for you to see clearly how it is? So that is the video. Please comment, watch and learn from this video and learn from the other videos that you can watch on my channel. So that is the round flare that I'm just trying to show you. So it's a 360 degrees flare that I'm doing. So thank you for watching. Love you guys. Bye.